Now, let's start by installing the first package, which is Laravel UI, which use Bootstrap for authentication. So let's open our project, and in here, first thing that we have to type is composer require Laravel/UI. Enter. Now let's wait until the installation is finished. Now that the installation is finished, then I have to type. Let's clear everything. I have to type PHP artisan UI bootstrap dash dash auth. Enter. Now it's asking me that the layouts.app.blade is already exists. So in here I have already created a layout for my project. If you want to keep your old layout, then in here you have to type no. Otherwise, if you want to replace it, then you have to type yes. So in my case, first thing that I will do is to replace the, rename my old layout. So let's type it old. Now in here I will just say yes, enter. Now again it's asking me that the controller.php file is already exist. That's true, and we have not written anything in here. It's completely empty. So I want to replace this one. I will type yes, enter again. Now everything is done. Now if we run let's clear composer run dev, it will run npm run dev run PHP artisan serve. So this will run both of these commands. So let's run, enter this. Okay, we got an error. Let's type npm and install, enter. Okay, done. Now let's type composer run dev, enter. Now let's go to this URL, open this one. Now our view is the CSS are not here and our view is like this. So we have to go to inside our welcome.blade.php and comment this if until else and end if as well. So let's comment this one as well. Save. Let's go back. Now the view is perfect. We can register, or also if you don't have any if you already have an account, you can log in. So first let's register. So let's type something here, admin@gmail.com. Sorry, the name is admin, email admin@gmail.com, password some register. Now our application have a authentication, so we can log in, log out, register or something. So let's log out and click login. Let's type admin@gmail.com and the password as well. Login. Now it's working. Now if we go to our student is showing. So we just have to fix our layout, or in the student we have to use our old layout, and in login registration we have to use bootstrap or other vice versa.